I am Goddess Demara. I am Demi. I am Demara, the astrologer. Ooh, baby. When was the last time you went grounding or touching a tree? Okay. This tree that I'm under is like one of my favorite trees. Every time I go on a walk, this tree right here speaks to me. Like before I even get around here, it says, "Tree, come see me." Tree, come see me. So I come over and I come see the tree. Okay. It is good to connect with nature. Okay. It's really earthing and grounding, and I love it. I just sit right here. That's what the tree just had said. Sit down right here. So, okay, let me sit down right here. It's a nice feel. Do you know that being out in nature can humble you? If you feel as though you're moving too fast, just grounding and being amongst trees is very humbling. The tree's been here longer than us. It's really relaxing. It's really relaxing. Really relaxing. Okay. And there's a lot of folks that's sick right now because they don't take the time to go into nature and just be. Just be. Technology has been taken over. Everybody moving too fast. I used to move fast until I got slowed down. Okay. But just touching, sitting on the tree, the ground, you can connect back with planet Earth. I just wanted to do a video right quick, nothing major, but whoever needed this, Just leave a purple heart and 100 next to it. I am Goddess Demara. I am Demi G. I am Demara the astrologer. Ooh-wee. Until next time, nature, when nature calls.